Hey everyone, thanks for watching the OA Cheddar mini course on Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more information about who OA Cheddar is and where you can find these premium Amazon to Amazon flip leads, click the link below to go to our website or join our Facebook group. Links are in the description below as well as on the video. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey guys, Taylor here. Just want to make a quick video showing you how easy it is to place orders and make buying decisions using the Cheddar Flips Facebook group. So here I am in the Cheddar Flips group. Got a notification on my phone. This is kind of what they would look like when they come in. Notifications will come in throughout the day, and you can set it up to where you actually get a push notification, so you get alerted like a text message or anything else. So right here I have a pair of boots, size 11. I'm gonna pull up the rev seller. Now we give you guys all these images that show the price that you can buy it at, which is that $34.93 number, and then the price that Amazon or the listing has historically been selling for, which for instance on this one is just shy of $70. And then it breaks down the possible ROI and net profit that goes along with it. We also give you the 90-day Keepa history, so you can take a look at that, see what it looks like, and if it's worth investigating more. We also add in the description the Keepa link, so you can go through and look at the all-time and the year and all that good stuff. So right off the bat, I noticed with this one, Amazon goes in and out of stock constantly throughout the last 90 days. I see a lot of offer count movement. I also see, I'm going to zoom in right here, that Amazon is normally selling theirs at $70, and then at times when Amazon is out of stock, the price jumps up to around 84, 85, somewhere around there. Buying this now for 67, not 67, what am I saying? Buying this for $34.93, so that would be the estimated profit that you'd be looking at, and then the item right there. So from here, I can go to Amazon and pull up this listing. Size 11, which is the match. And for instance, right now I can see that it's selling for 85 bucks. So what that's telling me is Amazon went out of stock. They lowered their price. This item, most likely sold out very quickly because of how low the price was. Let's go over here to Keepa. And from here I can go to Keepa. And I can see, let's go to the day. Yep, and you can see where Amazon dropped their price, sold out, dropped their price again, and now they sold out again, all within the last few hours. Okay, so I can't buy this one right now, but let's just pretend that I could. I'd go in here into Amazon. I would select add to cart. I'd proceed to checkout, and then I would fill out the rest, PO, delivery, and then from here I can select my delivery, and then I would select the credit card that I would want, hit continue, and the order would be placed. So it's as easy as that. You can scroll down. You can scroll down through the other parts of the group, and you can look at the other leads here. For instance, this pair of boots, you can buy it for $67.95. Amazon, or historically, it was selling for around 170 bucks, which gives you a really healthy ROI and a healthy net. Looking at the last 90 days, I see lots of offer count movement dropping down even when Amazon was in stock. And the third party's FBA price was matched with Amazon, so that just tells me that Amazon's sharing the buy box on these boots. Let's go over here to Amazon. And then I actually just purchased these earlier today. And it looks like I got the last pair, so these are currently unavailable too. So that's the thing, guys, with Amazon Flips, these when Amazon drops these prices, they usually don't last in stock very long. It's kind of a dual benefit. You're buying the item for cheap, Amazon sells out, you get your item, you send it back into FBA. If you're lucky, you might be the only offer on the listing. Like for instance, with these boots, I might be the only offer once I send my version or my pair back into FBA, which makes it a lot easier to sell. But you can just tell, even if Amazon does come back in stock with this item, I mean, I'm gonna have a really easy opportunity to sell the one that I bought. So I hope this video is helpful. This is just, I'm wanting to make a quick video just to show you how easy it is, guys, while you're on the go to source for your store, and also show you a couple of good leads where Amazon dropped their price, they went out of stock. Historically, they are friendly to third-party sellers on these items. I mean, you're talking about money like these pair of boots here. I mean, it adds up pretty quickly. So if you are not on Cheddar Flips yet, and you're still trying to find more opportunity to source for your business, please check it out, guys. It is an excellent product. We've been sourcing off of it for a while now and seeing some good results. So I strongly recommend checking it out. Other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative for your Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more about OA Cheddar and the Amazon to Amazon flips that we provide, please click the links below in the description and on this video. There is one for our website as well as one for our Facebook community that you can join. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.